Make sure to carefully follow the directions on the product package. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose using a special measuring device/spoon and not a household spoon. If you have any questions, it's always best to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. It's important to note that some probiotic products may contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you are taking antibiotics, it's recommended to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Be sure to follow the specific directions for your product. If you are using this product to manage diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition does not improve or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating, it is important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects may include signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While a serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, it is important to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor or report side effects to Health Canada. Before giving kids probiotic 2 billion cell oral powder packet to your child, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies they may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with a healthcare professional. If your child has diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections, be sure to consult a doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Additionally, if your child has diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires them to limit or avoid sugar and/or aspartame, it's important to ask a healthcare professional about using this product safely. If your child is going to have surgery, it's important to inform their doctor or dentist about all the products they are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If your child is pregnant, this product should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with a doctor. It is not known if this product passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult a doctor before using this product while breastfeeding. When taking kids' probiotic 2 billion cell oral powder packet, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions. Certain medications, such as antibiotics and antifungals, may interact with probiotics and affect how they work. It's crucial to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and discuss them with your doctor or pharmacist before starting this probiotic. Always follow your doctor's guidance and do not change your medication dosage without their approval. If someone has taken too much of this product and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that some brands may also include other ingredients, like fiber or inulin. If you're unsure about the ingredients in the brand you're using, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing kids' probiotic 2 billion cell oral powder packet, it's important to check the product package for specific instructions. Some probiotics may need to be refrigerated, while others should not be. If you're unsure, you can always ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's important to keep all medications, including probiotics, out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding kids' probiotic 2 billion cell oral powder packet, it's important to do so properly. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to discard it when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to properly dispose of the product. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.